Maintenance events and related costs are inevitable during the lifetime of an aircraft. In fact, they can account for as much as 35% of an aircraft's annual operating budget. Engine event costs can quickly escalate and disrupt your budget. JSSI's hourly cost maintenance, or HCM programs, are designed to align to your priorities. As your independent advocate, we provide a flexible and affordable way to manage the scheduled and unscheduled costs of maintaining virtually any make or model of business aircraft. Inevitably, the value of your aircraft will decrease over time. JSSI's HCM programs accrue funds for future maintenance events, which are transferable to the next owner, significantly increasing the residual value of the aircraft. There are several nuances to consider when enrolling an engine in a maintenance program. JSSI offers flexibility that opens up your decision-making timeline, providing options to align with your needs and risk parameters. Let's take a closer look at some of those options. If you're enrolling a new aircraft on a JSSI HCM program, you ensure 100% coverage within the program you choose. If you're enrolling an in-service aircraft, the situation changes slightly. You have two options. With an upfront payment, known as a buy-in, you can ensure 100% program coverage moving forward. Or you can consider our unique pro rata option, developed as an alternative to the buy-in for customers looking for additional financial flexibility. Whichever option you choose, unscheduled events within your chosen program will be fully covered. With JSSI's pro rata program, we partner together to keep your maintenance costs down. You can enroll an aircraft and protect your investment at any stage in the aircraft's life cycle with zero upfront payment. Let's consider a couple of examples. For a hard time engine, where you know the timing of major events, your pro rata is calculated at the time of enrollment. When a scheduled maintenance event occurs, you only cover the pro rata portion based on the hours flown prior to enrollment. JSSI covers the rest. And of course, unscheduled events will be fully covered. For an on-condition engine, your pro rata share will be calculated at the time of the event. We can estimate when the event will occur, but engine performance will determine when it actually happens. We call this a floating pro rata. Unscheduled events are still covered. Whether you enroll a new aircraft or enroll an in-service aircraft with a one-time buy-in or flexible pro rata, JSSI will help you meet lender requirements. And best of all, whichever program you choose, it enhances the residual value of your aircraft. JSSI is an all-OEM provider, supporting 30% of the global business jet fleet. Benefit from our scale. Check out jetsupport.com to learn more.